So that review that we just did shows us the potential targets. You can go to any low, obviously. That 28 support is still a key that needs to be knocked out. 2750 T2, and whether or not we can crack this nut right now, a reminder, I'm expecting that this is not as easy as everybody thinks. We can go step by step, but you make sure that you don't give it all back, because traders will want out. And it is a high value target that we're coming into here. And if we can, if you're staying today and you're playing, we can go to any low, a reminder, but by and large, all of our major targets have been hit. Whenever you get within a point or so of your second target, you want to become cautious. At least that's my rule of thumb. Umbrella, green, red, blue, pink. Cannot beat it. Keeping an eye. The green line. Daily chart. I'm not suggested to buy today, despite the fact we could get a jackknife at any time. I just felt the best trade would be to try to play the trend trade for the umbrella. Spend the morning trying to get test 32, and then test the 28 if we could. And after that, go grab lunch. What I'm going to do, I think I'm going to take my wife out to lunch. Never do that. And then come back and take a peek here before the end of the day. Zeke has reminded us of new targets that exist below should the market continue that direction. First things first, you got to take out the already known low. And I told you Zeke had predicted a little more volatility than I did. He thought we would have a greater travel range than I was expecting. So the travel range that I was looking for maximum was to stay inside what we already had at the low end. And that's not to limit our thinking, it's just tell you what I was thinking originally. So I've already achieved what I had set out to do, get to the 32 to 30 range, and then obviously beyond that is the good fortune part. And the point being that trailers are hailers. I mean, if you can get a trailer and hang on to it and be patient with it, that's how you can win in this business. Find something like an umbrella trade, know where your targets are, your high value targets, and then start to scale out when you get near them. Hit and run does not have to be one solid run. You allow it to breathe. You allow profits, and then you look for the grail trades. Well done. If you played the trend trade south side today, well done. This is that 2-day range again. So we've got the lion's share of this 2-day range. And a reminder, keep an eye on your time. And never give up a good day. Never. You should be playing only with a portion of the profits that you've accumulated today. You can see the arch this way. Beautiful arch. And my guess is the one thing you don't want to do today is try to be a hero and buy. I told you earlier, even if I miss a 10-point trade, long side, I could care less. I wanted the trend trade short side today to try to complete that arc. You get 75% of that arch, be happy. And you can really see that. That's in that 28. Measured move was, what, 27.5, I think. And I try to frame the measures, but I always want to know, what the charts are saying about the visible things you can see. Beautiful trade. Okay, stops down. We want to keep this guy right here as our resistance for now. And don't give back everything. If it snaps back, don't give it all back. Just take your stop out. Okay, time for lunch. Well done. I know. If there is no bounce right, we could get a flush and then a knife. I'm really worried this afternoon for you guys that are going to trade it. I still haven't had a big volume, stopping volume spike, and ticks really haven't had a huge tick surge either. But be careful of any kind of a the falling knife and then the snapback, because my guess is somebody's going to want to take profits. Will cause a bounce. Very rare that you're going to end on the lows. And I'm thinking again that traders are going to start to come out. Well done, team. This 28 has been a support for a while. We need to break that. Just a reminder for those of you who love the idea of getting those lower targets. It's been a theoretical support that we've had for now that has not been able to break. So my advice, capture on new lows. Be happy you made something. And if you're playing today, a reminder, lunch contra time is coming, and we could abandon the low at any time, and that's that. Just a reminder.